got the 15 CVR here in the purple RS4, just warming her up. 170, let's hit it again for a little bit more heat. We'll get the engine running, warmed up, and we'll hit the streets. This 15 CVR has been installed in this car. Other than taking it out and cleaning and refreshing, it's been installed this car for 18 or 19 years now with the original internals. And it's due for a refresh or a rebuild. Okay, we got 192, so we're definitely set to go there. We're running a vintage DX 3.0 Spectrum 2.4 gigahertz radio. On the bump box, let's get this primed. Still purrs like a kitten. 18 to 19-year-old engine. Let her warm up a little bit. These small race flywheels. Don't give a lot of inertia for these engines, and so you gotta definitely let them warm up. We'll adjust trim as we go as it warms up a little bit. This engine is also in need of a carb replacement or carb repair. The idle screw actually broke off last season, but we have a brand new OS slide carb for it that eventually we're going to take the engine out on camera and go through the engine internals and let everybody see what we've got to do, if we've got to rebuild something or if we can put it back together, maybe just replace bearings and put the carb on and get her back installed. We're warming up a little bit now. But I'm not able to get a perfect tune on it because the idle screw is actually a lot more open than what I want it to be. It's where it broke off at. So we've got a small two-stage idle, which is why we need a new carb. Always a good thing to check your wheel nuts before you go out.